Now we are going to see about single needle machines. Single needle machines, I have shown I will give you the image for here. I have mentioned the parts and functions of single needle machines. Throat plate, stitch regulator, thread guides, bobbin winder, these I have mentioned, and we'll go for single needle machines parts. Single needle lock stitch machine. Single needle lock stitch machine is stitched by one needle of a machine by lock stitch. Different parts of single needle lock stitch sewing machines. These are the parts of single needle machines: bobbin winder, thread wiper, device, lever and swatch, work clamp, knee plate, power snatch, oil gauge window, oil feeding pocket, machine play, operation panel, cone stand, control box, power indicator, USB port, pulley cover, the thread makes up cover, finger guard. Okay. For this single parts of, there is some many uses of the machines. Then we'll go for next. The single needle sewing machine has rich history rooted in the evolution of sewing technology, which transformed garment production and tailoring from a labor intensive process to an efficient merchandise system. Early inventions, 18th to 19th century. The origins of the sewing machines date back to the late 18th century. In 1755, Charles Weiston, a German engineer, patented a needle designed for mechanical sewing, but no accompanying the machine was built. The first functional sewing machine was invented by French tailor Bartley Trimmer in 1830. His machine, made up full of wood, used a single thread and hooked needle, create a simple chain stitch. Unfortunately, his innovation was met with resistance as tailors featured it would threaten their livelihoods. It must be only start with only a wood. Isaac Singer's contributions in 1851. The single needle machine we recognize today owes much to Isaac Merritt Singer in 1851. Singer improved upon earlier designs by Elias Howe and others, creating with the straight needle and a foot treadle for easier operation. His inventions features an up and down motions for the needle, which became standard mechanism. Singer's innovations made the sewing machine more practical, reliable and accessible for both industrial and domestic. These are the industrial and domestic. These are the main concept for this. And then industrial, and what is the use of single needle machine is used for industrial and domestic use. The single needle sewing machine became a cornerstone of the textile industry during 19th century, revolutionizing clothing production. Factories adopted these machines to mass produce garments, dramatically reducing manufacturing time and cost. Stimulationist domestic models became popular, allowing individuals to sew clothing at home. Singer, along with competitors like Wheeler and Wilson, Grover and Baker, produced compact and affordable machines for browse households. Affordable price for machines for households. These are the domestic. And 20th century developments is as technology advanced, single needle machines evolved with electric motors replacing manual threads and increasing speed and efficiency. This is the what is the modern era is today. Today single needle machines remain fundamental in both industrial and domestic sewing. Industrial single needle lock stitch machines are widely used for garment factories, of offering precision and durability for diverse fabric. In the home, computerized sewing machines have added features like embroidery and automated tension control and digital interfaces while still adhering to the single needle principle. These are the uses of single needle machine. And next we'll go for double needle machine.